Hey everyone, it's me Isabel again. I'm outside going to get the mail. I need to find, okay. This one, well, not really in the sun, but I need to make sure. Okay, I don't know where it's facing right now. Is it facing the gate? I don't know. Okay, so you probably can't see me that much. I can't, okay. Ah! I can't open this gate. Never mind. Now I need to find the mail key. Okay. Found it. Okay, yeah, it's facing me. This is the mail key. I'm going to get the mail right now. I hope this cat doesn't scare me again. So I hate getting the mail now. But I really wrote my pen pal. Her name is Noah. She lives in New Jersey. My grandpa's coming down on the 20th who lives in New Jersey. So I'm going to see him on Sunday. I just kicked my mom's slippers off. You could see the pool. I'm not going in. I wish I could, but it's too late. And I'm going to go to bed soon. My friend did one 7 minutes ago, maybe now 8, because it's been like a minute, maybe, I don't know. Probably, I don't know. So now I'm at the mailboxes. See, mailboxes, my house is 109. But don't come in and sneak up on me. No mail. Ah! I'm going to my laundry. Well, I have nothing to worry about now. Sorry, I'm sick. Hope no one sneaks in. So I'm scared now. Usually I'm scared in the dark. I'm not in my house because I'm safe. I have my mom there. I have, well, my friend says I have cameras who might be my stepmom. Sorry, I'm not talking too loud. Well, that car is really beat up. It's like not the windshield, but the lights in front. Oh, it's freezing again with the slippers. Ellie, I'm freezing. My teeth are like shivering. That's why I hate going to the mail this late. It's a long time. It's in my mom's house. Because she lives at house for the night. It's really far. Hold on. Sorry, I had to walk past these two guys. Aww. At this person's house, there's two birdies. They're cute. They're parrots. I think, no, they're not parrots. They're tweeting birds. I don't know. My friend. Oh yeah, I forgot my friend moved. I have new friends here. I'm gonna pause you guys because I'm gonna go into my house and I don't want my mom or my brother to see me. Alright? I had no mail. I'm back in the warm bedroom of my house. That took a very long time, but this is gonna be called Going to Get the Mail. Bye!